How to fix Instagram invalid parameter error. So if you want to fix your Instagram invalid parameter error, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Instagram application. Go with app info. Once you go with app info, now you need to go with storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. Once you tap on clear cache, now you need to go back and then again go back. And now make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, now you need to go with your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search and search for Instagram and tap and open up the Instagram. And here, instead of this open option, you may have an update option. If you have any updates, then you will have many problems. So you just need to simply go with update and update your Instagram application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go with open up your Instagram, and then go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Tap on the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down, tap on help option. Under help, go with report a problem, and then tap on report a problem. Tap on don't include, and here you need to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. So you just need to simply write that hello Instagram team. My Instagram says invalid parameter error, and I want to fix that problem. And once you enter all of that information in which you're facing the problem, you just need to simply go with the upload or screenshot option. So you can simply upload any screenshots or photos that you've taken, and then go with send, which is on the upper right. Once you've sent, Instagram will help you with that. So that's how you can fix your Instagram invalid parameter error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.